This home has a big problem under its foundation. The sewer lateral is damaged and it needs repaired. LightRay can perform the repair quickly. This is the state-of-the-art ultraviolet LR3 packer, and it can repair pipes 3, 4, or 6 inches in diameter, making it perfect for sewer lateral repairs. The repair packer is lowered into the damaged pipeline through an access point above ground. Typically, this can be a cleanout or even through a toilet drain, and every home has one of those. The ultraviolet packer is pulled perfectly into place. The bladder is inflated with air pressure to set the repair. This is where LightRay's magic happens. The UV lights are turned on, activating the resin's curing process. Almost like magic, the repair is fully cured in 10 minutes or less. The repair is considered complete and ready for service once the curing process has been completed. Now, a once damaged hose pipe is rehabilitated, saving our customers thousands of dollars. The repair was done on the same day without any disruptions to the property. Now that is something to celebrate. The same repair can be made in vertical pipelines as well. No ground access? No problem. LightRay's packer is lowered into position in the vertical stack access point in the roof. Once again, the bladder is inflated with air pressure to set the repair. Experience the power of pipeline rehabilitation, changing the way America's underground infrastructure is restored forever. Contact Wyman Plumbing today to get a free second opinion and quote for pipelining using the blue ultraviolet technology.